According to a study conducted by JATO, 2,47,024 units of sedans below 4 meters in length were sold between April to September 2018 in India. Compare this number to 1,90,126 units in the same period in 2017, and you'll notice that the new launches from companies like Honda, Ford and Tata Motors have had a significant effect on the growth of this segment. The sales of subcompact sedans grew by 30% in 2018, and it shows that the segment still holds a lot of potential for buyers as well as automakers. In contrast, segments with cars over 4 meters have seen a drastic drop in sales. Volvo Car India has ended the year recording a robust growth. The Swedish luxury car maker has sold 2,638 units in India in 2018, witnessing a growth of 30%. According to Volvo, models built on the SPA and CMA platforms, the XC60, XC40, XC90 and the S90 have gained momentum in the Indian market. Volvo has been expanding its market reach in India through dealership expansion to make the brand more accessible to its customers. Mercedes-Benz has teased the second generation of the CLA ahead of its launch at the Consumer Electronics Show on January 8, 2019. The manufacturer has decided to skip the Detroit Motor Show this time around and showcase the car at an electronics expo. So we are expecting it to come with a bunch of gizmos. The new Mercedes-Benz CLA is seen sporting aggressive-looking headlamps with LED daytime running lights serving as its eyebrows. Inside, it'll get a new dashboard and the company's latest all-digital instrument cluster and display, which is likely to be equipped with new AI-based MBX infotainment system. It's likely to get both the petrol and diesel engines, but we'll know more about that closer to the reveal.
If you like that video, you've got to subscribe to our channel. We keep things nice and simple and yet very comprehensive just for you.